This video will show you how to assemble the base Lazy Susan cabinet. First, unwrap the package and lay down the parts on a flat and clean surface. Second, drill the expansion bolts, the one with screw thread, into the hole of the side panels. Third, knot the wood tip into the hole of the side panels by hammer. Next, assemble the bottom panel, strip, and back panel. Secure the left panel and then add the toe kick. Next, assemble the Lazy Susan. Secure it to the bottom and top panel with screws. Next, fix the hinges of the doors and attach it to the construction box. Finally, your base Lazy Susan cabinet is now finished.